scared of the changing. He's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, what I'm doing. Yeah. Christ is in.
Good morning everybody. It is a Sunday morning and I'm at church. Welcome to my vlog. I hope you can hear me. My name is Charlotte. I am a wife, I am a mom, I'm a sister, I'm a teacher, but I am your friend. Thank you so much for being here and welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy it and like and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I hope you enjoy it. Ciao.
Stretch out your hands to these precious folk and would you say, we love you,
We love you.
we accept you,
We accept you.
we welcome you. Welcome to our family.
Welcome to our family.
You are part of us now.
Part of us.
We are one family.
We are one family.
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name.
Now you can tell.
I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. I thank God. What's up, PCC? Put your hands in this place.
Enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. God is letting know where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Got to find out to see them all. Let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car.
Guys, we are back at home and I've just finished eating our lunch, dinner. People take care of themselves on a Sunday after we finish eating our lunch. I'm just going to relax now. Usually on a Sunday, what I do is after we finish eating, I relax. Just to unwind, I watch vlogs, other people's vlogs. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I will either see you later or we'll see each other tomorrow. Everybody, and welcome to another day of this vlog. It is a Monday morning. Don't know how I always keep getting my dates mixed up. It is a Monday morning and I finished showering, making up the bed, making coffee and just being presentable. I am dressed in my gym wear because I'm planning on going to the gym before picking up my son. That will be later on around 1 o'clock. I can't exactly exercise in the house because our tiles, I don't know if it's because of moisture, you guys, or what, but our tiles, not everywhere, but there's a part of our lounge where our tiles just lifted up. So we have reported it, and they will be coming to repair and put new tiles. They're not cracked, but they've lifted up. Let me show you. Hey guys, let me zoom in. Do you see there? Like that entire place, they lifted up them, and it goes all the way, and it's going by the door. So it's hard for me to go out to grab my, let me go back, to grab my weights, which are outside. So I normally train where the carpet is, or even here. So I'm even scared to stand that side. Hence, I decided I will go to the gym. So, I'm hoping that they come tomorrow, which is a Tuesday, to come and fix it, so things can go back to normal in this lounge. So yeah guys, I'm going to do my Bible study as per usual, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay? Hey you guys, my workout was good. I trained for an hour. Let me lower some my windows. Yeah, my workout was great. I focused on my abs. I hardly ever focus like how I normally want to focus. So I'm really happy with the way I trained, with the way things turned out. But I'm really happy. So I'm just gonna wait for my son and edit my workout video for Instagram. So chat with you guys when I'm at home. And when I'm at home, I'm just going to be making dinner for my kids. I actually feel like I haven't eaten, by the way. The time now is 2:25 and I have not eaten. I've been doing intermittent fasting. So I'm planning to get home and make like 4 eggs. Eat like 4 eggs, and yeah, 4 eggs and maybe 2 slices of brown toast. But I'll see when I get home. I'll see when I get home. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning everybody, and welcome to the last day of this vlog, which is a Wednesday. And yes, of course, I did skip a day, which was yesterday. Yesterday I woke up and went to my parents' place from like 7:30 in the morning, and I stayed there, and I came back home at about 3:45 or so. So the reason for that was because we had received some communication regarding water being purified or something of that effect, and that we wouldn't have water. But it looks like we did have water, and it has been pushed for tomorrow. And I'm not planning on leaving home tomorrow. And another thing, they were fixing the tiles that I had told you about, which had lifted off from the floor. So they finished, the person who was doing the tiles, not they, finished putting in the new tiles something at 5 o'clock, if not a little bit after 5. And I'm not happy, you know. Since we're renting, I can't really have a say, you know. But let me show you. Okay guys, these are the original tiles that we have all over the floor, right? So for that patch, they had to replace it with tiles, and it seems like they couldn't find the exact tiles. So brace yourself. So this is what we have now. This is what we have in that area, and I don't like it. I absolutely do not like it. I don't know if I should get a mat and put a mat there, but yeah, I just had to show you guys, since I had showed you that the tiles had lifted. Let me turn you guys around. So as you can imagine, everything in this house, well, in the lounge, is messy. Even the passage, and a little bit in my bedroom, things were dusty. My sofas, guys, my sofas are full of dust. Apparently, my husband actually stayed behind. He didn't go to work yesterday. So he says the guy had a grinder. There was a grinder in here, And can you imagine the dust on my curtains, on my everything, my sofa throws, my cushions, my sofas. My sofas are material, you know, and my carpet. My goodness, you guys. So he said the is it a plaster or cement that he put to get the other tiles on will be properly dry tomorrow morning. So I can't exactly shift the sofas back to their proper places. Everything is kind of shifted to allow for these tiles to get dry. We can't walk on them, and I can't really do much. I can't really mop. I did sweep, and I did do a little bit of mopping around and dusted the chairs and everything else, but it's still dusty. The curtains are dirty, the sofas are dusty. I need to vacuum, I need to clean the sofas, even vacuum the sofas, you know. So I can only do it tomorrow. So can you imagine sitting and everything is just not okay? Also, that's the tea regarding the lounge, and I'm not happy. I'm just going to go now and have a shower, and I think I'm going to cook this morning, preparing for dinner. I don't feel like cooking later. I'm actually in the mood to cook right now, so I will cook now so that it's ready for later on, and I will see what the day has in store. But I will be closing this vlog early today because I uploaded on this day. So I'll see you guys a little later. Hey guys, I don't know, can you see? I was removing, well, nothing. I was removing nothing. I just felt like I needed to use a nose strip for my pores, to open up my pores. And I always go back to these nose strips. I do not know why I always do this, but I always do. Anyway, they hurt me all the time. They do the job, but they hurt me. I am about to do my Bible study, and I think call it a day for this vlog because I'm at home, and maybe it'll be a little bit more interesting tomorrow since I've got a whole lot of laundry to do, and I need to clean this lounge, clean my sofas, and that's a vlog for tomorrow, for the next time. So with that being said, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. I think this 18-20 minutes video, and thank you for staying tuned in and for supporting me. Please do subscribe if you have not. Please do like, please do comment, please do share. I will really appreciate it. I appreciate those who are already doing so. Those of you who are not sure why they haven't subscribed, I hope very soon you will decide to. So guys, I thank you for being here, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed week further.